Hello my friend, today I will show you how to make bonsai grape plant and ingredients: green yarn. I use Balinese cotton, purple for grape, this for leaf, gun glue, hook size 3mm, and sure for cut yarn, and then this wood Aquascape, and we need this too. Okay, let's make bonsai grape plants. Okay, my friend, now we make grapes. Round 1. Make single crochet in magic ring, 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then slip stitch. Round 2, make single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet, 2 single crochet, single crochet, 2 single crochet. Slip stitch. Round 3 to round 4, we just make single crochet 3 stitches, and we will have 9 single crochet for total. And then fill silicone. I think is enough, and we continue again for the next round. Round 5, we make single crochet in the first stitch, and then next stitch make a decrease, single crochet, decrease, single crochet, and decrease. Is very small, slip stitch. And the last stitch, make decrease. Okay, enough. Slip stitch. Okay, and cut purple yarn. Make 10 grapes for 1 grape stalks. Cut the yarn, but the rest of the yarn is a bit long. For do crochet again in here. The rest of the yarn is a bit long. And make chains. Make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch in another grape. Cut yarn. Tie the green and purple yarn. And the rest of yarn, make a slip stitch. Make slip stitch in here. Slip stitch. Slip stitch, slip stitch 3 times. Okay, and tie green and green. And so and another yarn to like before I do. Now purple yarn. And cut. and tie the another grape like this. Okay, I finished for tie all grape, and then we make 3 single crochet. Single crochet until finish in here. I finish for make single crochet, and then sew the yarn. Okay. And cut your yarn. Okay, I finish, and I make 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you feel not enough, you can make a grape more. Okay, now make a leaf, grape leaf. Make slip knot and make 9 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make single crochet and then make half double crochet 2 times. 1, 2, and then make double crochet 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then make half double crochet and 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Turn. Next, make half double crochet and then make double crochet 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Make half double crochet 2 times. 1, 2, and single crochet in the last stitch. Next round, make a chain, turn your work, and then make single crochet 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make chain 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and skip 1, skip, and next make single crochet and then make half double crochet 2 times, and double crochet 2 times, 1 2, half double crochet, next stitch, and the last make single crochet. Next run chain 1, turn your work and make single crochet 2 times, 1 2, and then make 4 chains, 1 2 3 4, and skip one, and then make single crochet, then make half double crochet 2 times, 1 2, and the last single crochet. Now we make a decrease, skip, we do like this, yarn over, yarn over, yarn over. Okay, and make single crochet 4 times, 1 2 3 4, and then make 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, chain 1, make single crochet in here, and then make half double crochet 2 times, 1 2, make double crochet 2 times, 1 2, and half double crochet, last stitch, single crochet, chain 1, turn your work and make single crochet 2 times, 1 2, make 4 chains, 1 2 3 4, skip 1, and make single crochet, next stitch, half double crochet 2 times, 1 2, and last stitch, make single crochet. Okay, next chain 1, turn your work, and we just make slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1. Okay, do like this, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, around. Okay, I will finish for make leaf and cut your yarn. And sew the rest of yarn. Okay, finish and cut again your yarn. Okay, make leaf however you want. Prefer aquastic wood. I choose the unique shape. Glue the leaf with gun glue like this. And glue in the Aquascape wood bit by bit. Okay, I finished for glue leaf. Now we glue grapes. We glue grapes now. Glue all grapes. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget for subscribe, comment, and like. See you next with my another pattern and tutorial. Bye bye.